Are you seeing it? So let's make carrots. Let's make carrot sauce for rice. Here is my groundnut oil. Here is my groundnut oil. So this sauce is my first time making it. First time. I have not made it before. I see someone doing it, so I love it. I said, let me try it. So here is my groundnut oil. So I will leave it for some minutes. Adding my salt. It's almost hot. Because the groundnut oil is not that much. So here is my garlic, ginger, onions, and pepper. So I will add it. Chop it. I need to lower the gas. I need to lower the gas. So here is everything. To use carrots, bell pepper, and tatashi. So those are the things I will use. I don't slice the finish. I want to add that for inside. Keep watching. Add my salt. Salt. First time when I dey cook am, add my thyme. I want to test how it be. So add one Maggi cube. So I can add my chicken breast inside. I have some fish, boiling one. Come add it later. Then cover it, let it boil. So here is my boiling fish. I will add the fish stock so that it will boil well. Later, I will add my boiling fish. So this sauce is for rice. Wow! Do you see our sauce? Oh, the aromas, eh? You will not believe. So I keep it little bit, like 10 to 8 minutes to boil more. So now let me add my boiling fish. I need to test it if there is salt. Wow. 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 Jesus. So sweet. I need to add little salt. Wow. Chai. Here is my sauce. It's ready. Thank you all for watching. See you all for my next video. Please try this, you will love it. Very sweet and delicious. Bye bye.